Hey, thank you for joining my channel again. This is going to be a very quick unboxing and install video. What I did is I actually had time and money to do a quick mod on my Jeep Rubicon Gladiator. What I did is I bought a Teraflex 1.5 inch leveling kit for the front and a Daystar like 0.75 in the rear, just to kind of keep it lifted in the front and then give me a little slight rake again in the back. So if I want to put my mountain bikes, my bike rack on the back or a bed rack or something in the future, it's not going to like weigh it down and the nose looks high, because that looks silly as well. I don't mind a little bit of rake in the back on a pickup truck. I think it looks okay. So join me as we unbox the Teraflex and Daystar products, and as we put it in, and as luck would have it, one of my neighbors down the street has a hoist in his garage. Wouldn't that be great if we all had hoists in our garage? Anyways, this guy's a super nice guy. He's a mechanic, and he's like, hey man, I'll help you put it in. I'm like, awesome. He pretty much didn't even need me. He was just like, boop, 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 done. Anyways, here's a quick video of me unboxing the products and my buddy installing it, and then the aftermath of what it looks like afterwards, which I think looks pretty cool, which then will in turn go along with the other mods that I have in store for my Jeep Gladiator. So please like, subscribe, and watch more of my horrible videos. Have a great day. Take care.
Okay, here's everything removed. Axle lowered, sway bar link, track bar, shock removed, springs out. This side here, still got to remove the spring. Overall pretty easy. And you got the right tools. Okay, front's back together. Just got to make sure springs lined up exactly. The original isolator. Everything was torqued on the ground. New bump stops in. I would say the only tricky part is this track bar. Getting that back in. It has to be level. And you need the exact angle to get that bolt back in. But everything looks good. Let's get to the back. Okay, here we go. We got the back installed. Everything's marked up prior to installation. Rubber isolator is actually touching. It's important. Let's see the other side. Same thing here. Make sure the top is marked in. Just make sure it goes back the same way. Let's put it back together.